Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5063878 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to start app readiness service. So for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find app readiness service, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart, and now you can try to update it. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause option. Click on pause, and this process will take some time. Now once the update is paused, now you can hit resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click on restart and then you can check. Still not working. Then find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart, and now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5063878, and then click on search. And over here you will see the update. So for me it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. So you can check what kind of system you have. You can open Windows settings, go to system, and then go to about option over here, and over here you will see the system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. Now Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system, this is the right one for me. Click on download, and then over here you will see KB5063878. click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. So just click on it and install it manually and then restart your computer, and you should be able to install this update. Still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option over here, and then go to recovery option, and over here you will see the option which says fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once the reinstall is done, log into the computer and then you can check. Now still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, you will see media creation tool over here. Now click on download now, and then once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on it, run this exe file, and then once you run it, you will see this screen. Click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, select ISO, and then click on next, and then you can save it to desktop. Click on save. Now go to let the download complete. This process will take some time, and then once it is done, click on finish option. Once you click on finish, you will see this screen. Setup is cleaning, so let it close automatically. Do not close this manually. Let it close automatically, and then you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then you will see setup file. Make a double click on setup file, then click on yes to allow, and then click on next, and then click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then click on install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11, and you should be able to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.